following message is being transmitted at the request of NASA and the United States government. At 3:57 Eastern Daylight Time, NASA discovered a large meteor named CB2453 that will pass Earth on October 25, 2019. However, there is a 32% chance that the meteor will strike Edmonton, Canada. This meteor, if it hits, will not destroy all life as we know it, but it could destroy half of Canada and the United States. Again, there is only a 32% chance the meteor will strike Earth. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information as updates on the situation are announced.
Hello, everyone! I am John O'Hare, bringing you the Springfield 42 channel announcements. Coming up tonight, it's Superhero Night, where we'll be watching Shazam at 7:36, which is in just 1 minute. And afterwards, Iron Man at 9:45. Then, Avengers Endgame at 12:02. It's a little late, eh? And now, it's time. We will now begin playing Shazam! So without further ado, let's get started!
I'm so worried about you.
I told you this was a bad idea.
Oh, Freddy?
Wait, what happened to the stairs?
Hey, covering her mouth if you're gonna kidnap her is not gonna make her less scared, okay?
Darla, it's me. It's Billy. I know I don't look like me. A wizard made me look like
Maybe
this.
don't start with the wizard. It's just gonna make her more confused.
Some old guy brought me to a temple, and he made me say Shazam. Rosa!
Verbally triggered body manipulation properties? You can switch by saying Shazam!
Baby, was that you? Are you okay?
I was screwing in a bulb.
Listen to me, Darla. You cannot tell anybody about this, alright?
But it's Billy. He's a hero.
Yeah, but if a supervillain finds out that he's a hero, that endangers us, okay?
The following message is being transmitted at the request of NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 7:04 Eastern Daylight Time, NASA discovered CB2453 will in fact strike Edmonton, Canada. It was also discovered that the meteor will destroy all of Canada and 4/5 of the United States. At this time, gather all family and loved ones and evacuate immediately. This event will not destroy the following states in the United States: Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, New Mexico, Arizona, and the southern half of California. Pack all things important to you and your family. This is NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio Station KIH-63, operating on a frequency of 162.475 and serving the Orlando, Florida area. Due to the impact of the meteor, the temperature outside will be higher than usual. The air quality has also worsened due to this event. There is also an extreme risk of fire. If a fire breaks out, information will be broadcasted as soon as possible. This would activate a red flag warning. A red flag warning means a fire has broken out and all listeners need to following message is being transmitted at the request.
Come on, we failed. But how? How did they survive? We sent a meteor and destroyed that big island, I think they call it. Time to send another, here, maybe? Okay, here? Come on man, okay, we will launch 5 here, and here. Okay. They will not survive this, humans will never be as smart as we are.